are too many toys, friends. Wow, guys. If there's any more fish, come on, let's go get the fish. That's a lot. Too many, friends. Let's see which fish we catch. There's a white fish. I caught this white fish. This is so cute. I'll pay it back here. Here's a black carp. I'll drop it in here. Come on. And then there's a yellow fish, and it's going so fast. Yellow. Here I see a yellow fish. It's going so fast. I will try to catch. Blue fish, a little blue fish. Also okay. That's a lot of fish. The fish are very fast. Here's two yellow fish. I will catch it. Try to catch it. It's going so fast. This is a turtle. Turtle, a baby turtle. This is a yellow crab, guys. It's a turtle again. Here, a whale. This is a dolphin. This is a hammerhead shark, guys. Wow! A shrimp. Wow! So many toys. These are the fish we just caught. Wow! Beautiful, not friends. I'll try to catch it by hand to see if I can. It's very beautiful. Let's see what we have today. A pig, a pink pig. Wow, one. Sheep. It's a yellow-orange sheep, guys. This is a car. This is one. Off-road vehicles. And this is one. Crane. The excavator. But it's broken. It's lost. It's lost the shovel here. These are two deer. Two little deer. Get on the motorcycle, guys. This is also a motorcycle. And this is a dog. That's a Dalmatian. This is a fire truck. And here's a grasshopper. There's a dinosaur. This is a dinosaur, guys. The red dinosaur has a lot of spines. A plane. Oh, very beautiful. Flowering, a chicken. Oh, there's 4 horses. There's 4 little pink horses. A 2x4. Wow, this is a cat. Kittens are so cute. Wow, it's a dinosaur. It's a dinosaur with wheels. Next up, dinosaurs have a lot of spines. This dinosaur is very fat. Oh, it's a bee, right? Next is a monkey on a bicycle. That's cute. Another dinosaur is this horned dinosaur, a 2x4. 5 years of dinosaurs. And here. This is a dinosaur. Underwater. This dinosaur can swim in that water. Let's try putting it in here. It's sinking, guys. That's fish. The fish is cute. What is wrong with this fish? That's a motorcycle. Oh, and this is a really cute winged rooster. This one is also a small cock, oh Doraemon. Doraemon, friends. Doraemon has a rotating propeller. This is a robot. I dropped it. This is a lizard, guys. Lizards have two very beautiful colors. This is a spider. Oh, let's see what we got. A dog. A car. A puppy car, a puppy car. Iron Man. It's a little Iron Man baby. What are these? It's a dinosaur, guys. The dinosaur. Ron. This is a red crocodile. I'm Ron. This is a dinosaur. Here again. A blue dinosaur. Here. It's also a dinosaur. Wow, there are two. This cow is yellow. This cow is a white cow. This is a baby turtle, guys. This turtle can swim on the water. These two swimming arms. A firehead. A car, this car. Sand trucks, guys. Oh, what is this? Oh, the shark snapping. Sharks can have heads that can move you. A car. Car carrying a giant egg. What's in here? Wow! Lots of small animals. Too many small animals. This one camel. Small camel. And here's a little pig. What is this? There's a duck. A duck with an ice cream on its head. It's so cute. A car. Wow! It's amazing how a car can transform. And this is a fire truck. Oh my God! This lizard, guys. A very loving, very beautiful lizard. A flying dinosaur. This is a lizard. Oh, there's an egg. Wow, a duck, a yellow duck. A little duck in the egg is amazing. Well, we got a gun this can shoot. It's a truck. A truck carrying a lot of stuff. A truck carrying a lot of cars. There's a lot of cars and there's superheroes in here. So today we discover that it's over. There are a lot of toys, right? Say goodbye to the little fish. Hi, see